today I would like to share you 100 free watch faces for your Apple Watch. And these watch faces, these 100 are completely free. And what you're gonna do is to download the app called Phaser, and it is free on the App Store. And you need to search for Phaser, and there we go. And after you have downloaded, make sure it is installed on the Apple Watch too, this one. And then what you're gonna do is to go back into Watch Phaser. So let me go ahead and go back into the app itself, this one, and you're gonna go into Top Charge and then tap on Free Faces. And these are the watch faces that you can download for free. And I noticed that it updates every day. Every new watch face update every day. So now let me try this one. Tap on it. So you're gonna click on this button and then click on Allows, and it will bring you into the watch apps. Click on Add to My Faces, and then just wait for the watch face. So now it is downloading. It may take a while, so before you seeing the real watch face, because it needs to download some important file for the complication. So now just wait for a few seconds, and now you can see the new watch face is finally here, and it looks pretty awesome. So we have the battery here, 81% left, and we have the temperature and the date and the clock inside. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video, and then we'll see you guys in the next one.